here we are. This is the night before. It is January 30th, 6:43 p.m. I'm trying to get all my stuff packed up. Got another box. This is the lenses. These are lenses that I rented from Borrow Lenses. Never rented a lens before, and I've never had lenses this expensive. I'm excited and I'm nervous. I'm so nervous about this whole thing. Like, I've felt sick all day. I hope I don't suck at this. Maybe that's a little bit better. This is the box from Borrow Lenses. Oh my god. This is the Sigma 18-35. The wide lens 1.8. Man, I'm already nervous. You see my hands are shaking? And then this monster, the Canon 70-200. This is for reaching out a little bit further. Oh man, I can't even fucking focus on what I'm talking about right now. The lens I'm filming on right now, this is a crop sensor camera with a 24mm pancake lens on it. I'm gonna throw the Sigma lens on there and show you what the difference is. So I just recorded a whole segment with the the borrowed 18-35 on here, minty, and I forgot to record. So now I'm just upset, so I'm gonna do a mini one. I'll just show you. We got the bag here. This is what I'm gonna be traveling with. And then I have the Pelican case. I have the Pelican case. This has gimbal stuff, batteries, podcast gear, all that sort of stuff. So this is basically packed. I'm not too worried about that. But now I have to rearrange the bags now that I have this lens and this behemoth of a lens. I'm really nervous, not gonna lie. Like, I haven't felt great all day. I'm excited, but at the same time I don't want to suck. And I feel like if I suck at this, then yeah, it's just gonna suck a lot. So hopefully I don't suck. This is King of the Hammers day -1, because the trip actually starts tomorrow, but I doubt I will get any sleep tonight whatsoever. I still have a ton of clothes packing to do. All those need to go in my bag. And I was blessed with a bunch of orders, so I actually need to do those before anything.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day.
These are basically the reason why I'm able to go to King of the Hammers this year. So thank you so much.
And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the...
Alright, so these are packed. We're gonna put these on the stairs so I don't forget them. And let's get back to trying to figure out how all this shit's gonna fit. Chores have been done, kitchen's clean, dishes are put away, kids' lunches are made, and now it's just a waiting game. It's 11:20. I'm gonna download some stuff from Netflix on my phone so I can watch it on the plane. Probably brush up on some YouTubes. Just gotta wait. Yeah, look how big that sea bag is. That thing is definitely not making whatever weight restriction they have, so I have to pay for that one. It's about 121, like 11 degrees outside. I'm gonna go start the car and get the show on the road.